Hi guys, welcome to the first video of 2025. Wasi ambao mmekuwa mkifollow, I went to Morocco courtesy of Tecno, and mainly tulikuanga na a lot of things that were happening in Morocco at that given moment. And those who also followed, mkiangalia kwa IG, mtaona this package. I received it during the gala. That is the dinner that Tecno organized for us. And so since then, believe it or not, I've not really been able to unbox or check everything that Tecno put in this bag. It's more than a week or 2 weeks, not 100% sure. But this moment, let's unbox this and see exactly what's inside here. Especially you guys, because I have an idea of what's inside here, except the fact that sija unbox. So let's do this. So first, kuna hii plug. This is a framed Tecno Glory Night, Africa's top influencer. It's Moran and my government name, Tecno, and TikTok Live. So I'm really grateful finally for receiving this one. I don't know where I'm going to place it, considering that the setup of the studio is kind of almost done, but I'll find a place for me to put it so that you guys can be seeing it whenever I do a video. So there's this. Let's just put it here. Then there's this. This is a silk scarf. So sikuanga aware about this stuff until Chiche told me about it. So according to the Chinese tradition and culture, actually when you are given a scarf that is this kind of a scarf, the silk one, it's quite expensive, and it's considered to be one of the best gifts of appreciation that you can get from the Chinese people. And so I ended up getting one. The few of us from Kenya who are there also, all of us ended up getting one. So this is the pattern that the silk is of, and you guys should touch this. This is cool. And the patterns are, see the same pattern by the way on this side and the other side. Not exactly the same thing, but wow. This is cool, like hii pattern iko poa sana, and I honestly I don't know what to do with it. Sijui kama nafaa kuipin mahali, but I'm just going to keep it, secure it, because according to the website, these things are quite expensive. So yeah, I'm going to keep this one. It's a silk scarf from the Chinese tradition. So let me just put it back. I will sort it out later on. So there's this one. Also hii acha tuweke hapa kando. And inside, I also got this. Now, this is zero pressure, open ear design earphones. As in a noise cancellation, because they are open ear. So yeah, I'm going to unbox this one for you, use them and review them for you. These are called the Free Ear 2 by Tecno. These ones were quite cool. It's the only piece of tech that is inside this package. So for me, this is one of the most important things, actually the most important, and that is like the most expensive one. So the last thing inside here is this. So I think my sister unsealed this one. It's a letter from Tecno. Never really got to read it, so let me just read it for you guys to hear. Dear valued partner and friend, as the call of the AFCON echoes once again, it's my great honor on behalf of the entire Tecno team to warmly welcome you to Morocco. Nothing else left. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let's do this more often.